Acid rain affects many things, especially Lake Ontario. Lake Ontario is located west of New York.
Acid rain is formed by sulfite and water reacting to form sulfuric acid. This happens through the burning of fossil fuels in power plants and vehicles. The sulfite reacts with the water vapor and precipitates as sulfuric acid, which falls into Lake Ontario, which then lowers the pH and makes it more acidic.
When Lake Ontario becomes too acidic, fish are unable to reproduce and begin to die out. Also, the acidic water breaks down metals on the lake bed and in plumbing pipes, which then contaminate the water. This can harm both animals and humans who rely on Lake Ontario for drinking water.
Acid rain levels can be reduced by conserving energy through saving electricity and reducing power plant emissions, and reducing transportation by increasing public transportation, carpooling, biking, or walking when possible.
Created using Powtoon.